million years ago. A world untouched by history, ruled by the primeval.
For Mura, every sunrise is not a beginning, but a testament to survival. She awakens in silence. Her only clock is the sky, her only home.
The cave offers shelter, but the outside demands constant vigilance. She is a solitary figure, the ritual of the morning cleanse. A moment of purity before the inevitable grime of the hunt.
The cold, clean water is a brief refresher. It washes away the night's dust, preparing her body for the day's toil. The trek begins. Her most vital tool, the bone spear, is an extension of her own will. A routine of hope, a desperate signal into the void. She calls for what she knows doesn't. The echo returns, cold and hollow. The silence of the world is her most enduring companion.
Survival requires instant botanical knowledge. Every bite is a calculated risk. Every known fruit, a small reward.
Sustenance is taken in motion. To stop for long is to invite danger.
Then, the sudden disruption.
The true lord of this coast. The massive prehistoric feline, moving with silent, lethal grace.
Terror is a paralyzing force. Her only defense is stillness, to become invisible.
The raw, brutal power of the predator. A silent, swift ambush that ends. The sight is a catalyst for pure flight. Survival instinct overrides all else.
Hidden. The coast is clear, but the lesson is etched deeper. The jungle is unforgiving.
She moves forward, her fear now a fuel. Every step is a deliberate act of courage.
A sudden, fragile discovery that breaks the monotony of her solitary life.
A casualty of the endless hunt. A small creature, injured, its life hanging by a thread.
Instinct takes over. Not the hunter's instinct, but the deeply human need to nurture. Away from the dangers of the open beach. The rescue demands immediate attention. The ancient medicine cabinet. The precise knowledge of plants and their healing properties. Healing is a meticulous process. A small application of natural antibiotics on a life so small. A small, quiet cave is chosen as the recovery ward. Security is paramount. She leaves her charge, her task now dual-fold. Survival for two.
Into the gloom. The jungle is a repository of life, but its treasures are often hidden.
Away from the dangers of the open beach. The rescue demands immediate attention. The ancient medicine cabinet. The precise knowledge of plants and their healing properties. Healing is a meticulous process. A small application of natural antibiotics on a life so small. A small, quiet cave is chosen as the recovery ward. Security is paramount. She leaves her charge, her task now dual-fold. Survival for two.
Into the gloom. The jungle is a repository of life, but its treasures are often hidden.
Soft food, easy to digest, providing the slow, sustained energy needed to combat shock.
The immediate danger passes. Exhaustion reclaims the small animal, now resting with a full belly.
The clock is ticking. The coast is a rich hunting ground. but the fading light brings greater danger.
The prey is sighted. Trapped by the tide, the fish are an accessible, high-protein meal.
A quick, clean kill. The accuracy of the hunter, perfected by necessity.
Dinner secured. A small, yet crucial victory.
The moment of contentment is brutally interrupted. Another colossal threat.
Unseen and yet devastatingly present, the behemoth disappears, its path marked by crushed foliage.
Twice in one day, she is reduced to a hidden spectator. The cost of survival is ceaseless terror. The coast is clear, but the memory of the serpentine shadow remains.
Back in the primary shelter. The preparations for the night begin.
The fire, the only true defense against the night's unseen terrors. The most important skill of all. The controlled flame, a beacon of human ingenuity.
Fire is life. It is warmth, light, and protection.
The cleaning process. Every part of the food is respected and prepared.
The simple luxury of a cooked meal. Roasting the fish and roots makes them safe and delicious.
A moment of deep satisfaction. The reward for a day spent wrestling with the wild. Daylight is gone. The ancient world settles into its deep, terrifying nightly rhythm.
The final moments of contemplation. The vat whispering ocean. The solitary moon. The silent stars. Her only consistent, the fire is her guardian, drawing a small, bright line against the darkness. The end of the day. A sleep earned through sheer will and tireless effort. She drifts into a deep, peaceful sleep. The survival is momentarily assured.
The jungle sleeps, but Mura's watch will begin anew with the dawn. Life continues.
The hidden beauty of the ancient world. A momentary peace in the cycle of life and death.
The scale of the flora is overwhelming, a world of deep shadows and towering green.
Small lives lived fast. Every creature a master of instinct.
The markings of a lifetime. Her body is a living map of the dangers she has overcome.
Ingenuity born of necessity. The simple, perfect engineering of a primal weapon. The cave walls, her only witness. Silent observers to her unique solitude.
A spark of connection. The vulnerability of her charge anchors her to a purpose beyond herself.
The sudden violence of prehistoric weather. The elements are indifferent to human effort. The eyes of the night watch her. The dangers only intensify after dark.
Even in sleep, the guard is never fully dropped. The spear is a pillow of security. The ancient light on the lone survivor. A small life, impossibly maintained. And the world waits for the dawn, ready to test her survival once more.